When you first launch your membership site on Kajabi, there's something really important that you need to make sure to do. And that is to give those first people who jump into your membership site the best rate that anyone is ever going to get. It's called a founder's launch, and we're going to talk all about how to do it right on Kajabi in this video. This is day 72 of Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. We're doing 90 days of videos all about how you can start, build, and grow your online business using the best online business platform there is, which is Kajabi. And if you want to jump on Kajabi, use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. With that, you get 3 pretty amazing things. You get a 45-minute Zoom call with me where we can talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, and how you can get the best possible start on that platform. The second thing you're going to get is 30-day free trial where you can try out Kajabi for free for 30 days, see if it's the best fit for you. And I'm also going to give you my $25,000 course launch email template, which are the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. I want to give you all of that as a way to say thank you for using my link, which is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission when you use it. All right, so let's talk about membership sites. We've been talking about them on this series for quite a while. I think they're an amazing way to ensure a certain level of monthly recurring revenue in your online business. They do require ongoing work, but you can get that down to a minimum and get the value up to a maximum, and Kajabi helps you do all of that. But when you first launch your membership site, one of the things that you can do to really reward those first people who jump in is a founder's launch. What I like to do is set my rate about half of what it's going to be in the future. For example, I launched a membership site that's going to be a $47 a month membership site. For my founder's launch, I took that down to 27, and I basically said, if you jump in with me on this first launch, your rate is going to be half of what everybody else pays for life. For as long as you're a member, you get $27 rate. The beauty of this is it allows those people who jump in to be rewarded for jumping into a membership site right away when it's not as valuable as it's going to be in the future, because it gains value over time. And so as more content is added to it, the bigger the value is. So someone who joins 3 years from now is going to have this massive body of content that someone who joins right now just doesn't have. So rewarding that person who jumps in right away is a really great way to entice people to go in with you on something that's brand new. But when you lock them in for life at that price, it also disincentivizes cancellations, because they have to go, if I cancel, I'm never gonna get this lower rate ever again. I'm never gonna get $27. I'm gonna have to pay $47. Do I really want to jump off when I might jump back on in the future? So it's a win-win between enticing them to jump on and convincing them that it's a better value to stay. Now, in the meantime, you've got to provide a great membership site that people actually want to jump into and want to stay in, and price is just one of those elements. But doing a founder's launch and giving people a great rate is a great way to get them in, a great way to keep them in, and then before you jump to your second launch where you might raise the price to its ongoing rate, you can use that founders launch group of people to get some really great testimonials. That's actually what I've done. And when I relaunch and reopen my membership site, I'm gonna have a big pile of happy testimonials to use in my sales copy. So when you launch your membership site, definitely do a founder's launch. And when you do it on Kajabi. Use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Subscribe to this channel. Let me know what questions you have about Kajabi, and I'll answer them in future videos. And I will see you tomorrow for the next video. In the meantime, check out this playlist right here where we'll go more in depth about Kajabi. So click right here and we'll talk more about Kajabi right there.